welcome back everyone. I'm just doing this quick, very short video just to give you an idea how these dried overnight. I'm very happy with them actually. I wanted to make sure that you could see them properly because I know that some of the focus wasn't that good on the last video. So you can see all the nuts. They played it up very nicely, very evenly, dried nicely overnight. So those are all the nuts there, almost look brand new really. You can see the wire is taking on the yellow chromate colour as well. So that's those, and here's all the bolts, Phillips head bolts. Make sure we get this focus this time. There you go. So you can see they come out really nice, really consistent. I'm very happy with them. There's minor, tiny little areas where the yellow chromate might not have taken due to the wire, but nothing to speak of really. You can see the whole finish has come out very nicely on all of the bolts really. So that's that. So I've got plenty of those guys, and again the ring that we did, we kind of fluffed up a bit yesterday. You can see now it's dried, and you can see the patchy area here. Not a big deal, and also you can see it's very orange. I'm not going to leave it in that chromate quite as long because this almost looks like gold, and I don't want that. It's a bit over the top. Just probably half that time, down to around 15-second dip. Alright, so I took the nuts off and put the bolts on them. So there you go. Everything goes on lovely. Amazing. Really, and like I said in yesterday's video, there's something very satisfying about restoring the bolts and the nuts instead of just going to get new ones, you know. You think these bolts have been on that car 50 years. It's amazing, isn't it? And we brought it back to life again for another 50. Or, well, long past I'm gone, I'm sure. So right, okay, this is the second attempt. This is one of the rings, as you know, get me on knees down. As you know, the rings for the suspension units, and it come out a lot better. I was much more careful of pulling it out of the rinse, dunking it in. You can see it's got a lovely iridescent look, and I didn't leave it in there as long. I think 15, actually about 20 seconds this, and you can see how much more orangey this one is, and I think that looks a little fakey personally, even though it was kind of messed up from the plating that I did wrong. But I think this is much more pleasing. Around 20 seconds in the yellow chromate, and no more than that. I think that's ideal. But it's come out really evenly. It's gotten a nice look to it. Get that focus. There we go. Much better. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next, which I promise will be a welding video. Get cracking on that door project, and then after that the wheel arch, and also I've got another few rescue cars coming up, so that will make for some good video. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.